how to fix your Windows 11 computer is slow after an update. So if you've recently updated your computer and it's running slowly, I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how to solve this issue. So the first thing you need to do is just open up your Start menu. You can then search for Task Manager and click on this window here. Over in the left hand side, you'll need to come down to Startup Apps and click on this. And here you'll find all of the programs that automatically start when you first turn on your computer. Now what you'll need to do is go through this list and disable all of these applications. So underneath status, anything that's currently enabled, just go and right click on the app and then you can press disable. As you can see here, most of mine are already turned off. Now once you've done this, open up your Start menu again. Now search for Disk Cleanup and click on this tool. You can then go and check the boxes next to all of these different options. Once you have everything selected, press OK. And then you'll need to press delete files. You can then check to see if your computer is running faster. Now, if you're still having an issue, you may need to go and roll back the update. So to do that, open up your Start menu, search for settings and click on this window. In the left-hand side, select Windows Update and then scroll down and click on Update History. You can then scroll down and click on Uninstall Updates. And here you'll find your most recent updates that you have installed. So you'll need to check the dates to make sure you're uninstalling the correct one, and then you can just go and press the uninstall button next to that update and you can go through the steps to roll back to the previous version. Once you've done this, restart your computer and that should have fixed any slow or performance issues.